Ever had water damage in your home and then discovered mold creeping in afterward? You're not alone. You're probably wondering, will my homeowner's insurance cover this? Stick around because this video breaks it all down simply and clearly. Hi, I'm Marquise with Trailstone Insurance Group. One of the top 5 questions we hear all of the time is mold covered by my homeowner's insurance? It's a fair question, and the answer isn't always a simple yes or no. In this video, I'll walk you through when mold is typically covered, when it's not, and what you can do to protect your home and your finances. Let's start with the basics. Mold forms where moisture is trapped, inside walls, under carpet, or around windows. It gives off a musty odor and can cause allergy symptoms and other health problems. And once mold starts growing, it can quickly spread and be expensive to clean up. So let's start out with when mold is typically covered. Most homeowners insurance policies do cover mold, but only if it's caused by a sudden and accidental event that the policy already includes. This might be a burst pipe during a cold snap, a water heater that floods your basement, a fire that's extinguished with water, many other things. If mold results from one of these events and you report it promptly, the cleanup is generally covered. Now, on the flip side, mold is typically not covered if it's caused by neglect or poor maintenance. For example, a slow leak under your kitchen sink, a window that hasn't been sealed properly and allows water in, any issues that's been going on quietly over several weeks or months. If it's something the insurance company believes could have been prevented, they're likely to deny the claim. What about gradual leaks? Well, here's where it gets a little tricky. Insurance policies distinguish between sudden, accidental leaks and gradual, preventable ones. A burst pipe is considered sudden. A leaking faucet, on the other hand, that drips for weeks, this is considered gradual. And unfortunately, this is usually not covered. So what can you do if you want coverage for a gradual leak? Some policies offer optional coverage called water seepage or leakage coverage. This can help if you have a hidden leak behind a wall or under the floor that you didn't know about. If the damage has been happening for 14 days or more, you have this coverage. You might still be protected. If you have an older home or plumbing, this is definitely something worth discussing with your agent. At Trailstone, we've seen mold claims get denied because people waited too long to report them. Typically, if mold develops from a leak that's been going on for more than 2 weeks, it won't be covered. That's why it's important to report water damage immediately and ask your agent whether you have protection for long-term seepage. If you're unsure what your current policy covers or if you want to explore optional coverage for hidden leaks, give us a call. We're happy to walk you through our options and make sure you're protected before there's a problem. Thanks for watching.